a flash. Oh my God. When we leave out, it was a bright and sunny day. And now, yeah, it's raining. But guess what? We're gonna head out to Slad where we're gonna have fun. Let's go. Yeah, rain. Rain like what we look like anywhere we go, we bring the rain. I don't know what's going on. I don't know what is going on. Alright guys, so we are here. We just reached. Whew, get a look weather and thing. It rains still now a lot more. We reach, we're inside and we're outside at the same time. See? The place is nice. I definitely I go video it and show you guys because trust me, huge, beautiful, pretty. We never come at this one before, so we're excited to see it and try out them food, especially, and everything. So right now we are going to check out the place and then we are going to eat.
What's the sound? What? As soon as I did that, I did this. I went on my tippy toes and I did this. And it felt like I was flying with his face.
Where do we go first? Guys, I have to show you this. They literally have like a mini supermarket in the hotel. You can imagine? No, they come up very strong. Pizza, sandwich, coffee, Korean beef bowl and all them things. So, yeah, it's a good look, man. I like it already. Sour patch and all of them things. This is like the breakfast area. So them have them egg burrito biscuits. What else? Cinnamon roll. Smoked salmon. Let me look at healthy cup right there. So seasonal fruit salad. Man. Or maybe if you don't want all of that excitement, them have them regular. Look at cereal. Yeah, look at Cheerios. Rice. Look at Razor Bran and them things. Yeah, it's a good look. I don't like. This is a hotel promote your own supermarket right yourself. Then make it all leave. Food time. Quick pizza fresh out the oven. Yes. Gatorade. Camera not have spaghetti and meatball. Oh, look at the dessert, guys. Mighty God. You know we have a kid problem. Jesus. Ooh. This looks good. I think we're gonna probably try that one day. Yeah, something new. Alrighty. What else to say, guys? One thing I tell you, night forward fast. Get the cake and everything. When I try it, definitely I'm gonna know how that tastes. As I walk around right now, I see what else we can find. So far, the hotel amazing. Baby, what do you think about the hotel so far?
Oh, it's huge.
Yeah.
Huge. Beautiful though. Very beautiful.
Beautiful. I love it.
Whoa.
Wow.
We have to go outside to do this? Okay, why I do all of that just to get there? You know, why can't I just...
Come like a GPS.
Coconut. Coconut's poolside bar and grill.
Yeah, we are trying to find a bar right now. Oh my God. There's chandeliers. Everything.
I looked on the ground. Look at that. Look how big they are.
Right? No, them come up with the chandelier. Look on this one right there now. Oh my God.
It's so warm, Tammy.
This way. Come.
Look that way.
Guys, wanna see a place big? Oh my god. Right now, where the supermarket did there, that was like the first floor, right? And the amount of floors where you used to have, best believe. I can't even imagine. Beautiful. I love the chandelier. Oh, welcome to the bar. Show me the outside view. Then stop. As you know, I don't really record the people. And the outside, pretty. Oh, love it. A little water slide right there, so. No man. Tomorrow I make this go up, right? Let's go. Nice area. Fun. Cheers. Yes. Yes. Well, guys, I know not pretty up nothing. I give you the full raw truth right there, so.
It's pretty.
Very pretty to look at.
Light and fluffy.
Yeah.
Just not very sugary.
Oh.
So maybe it's a health food?
Yeah, vegan.
No, not really.
Alright guys, yeah, my time to try the cake. It is very pretty, but it's a no for me.
This looks really pretty though.
So them say stick to what you know. Some chocolate cake was the other thing. Like, let's try something different. Yeah. So different. Dominic. No, man. Alright guys, so we're near the pool area. So far, some people are at the so that's why I'm not really sure yet. Alright, so we are now. Oh, the water slide closed off now because of them time there. But them say to open up tomorrow because you know it's kinda late, it's like about 8:30 right now. So them say that closed off. Rain did a fall. So you know already long time. Yeah. Oh my god. We're not going out though. You know, they have some different lifeguard duty. Not that much now. I get the idea. to go over to the other side beach to the jacuzzi beach. Yeah. I can't wait for tomorrow for sure because the pool and everything looks so good, but boy, what a pool. Yeah, I'm on the pool water right now. Wait till the sun come out and then we come out. Yes. Alright guys, I hope you enjoy the vlog so far. Do remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. What swim? Oh yeah! What's that? And then look, I must go save me. Woohoo! Good morning guys. So as you can see, I'm running breakfast. McDonald's. Yes. It's gonna be a great day. Okay guys, it's pool day. This is another pool, this on the 4th floor. It's a beautiful day. Thank God the sun is out.
That's a jacuzzi?
It's beautiful.
Oh, that's very big.
Alright guys, my favorite.
We have to play.
Show you the tennis court. Nice look at the area. Serve.
Probably come out here and do parties or reception. Wedding.
Then I look at area. So them do party and them thing there. Nice. Look how the place big. Floors on top of floors on top of floors. So we're outside. Pool time. Water slide time. Cameron up there already. My journey line. So in the meantime, it's a beautiful day out here. It's a good look. And our film time.
Give me a wave.
Yeah, we'll see you in a little bit. There he is.
One more time,
Guys, we're out here. I'm going to tell you, say, rain and a half, but the rain and a half, but it's not too bad right now. But we are trying to make the best of it. And Cameron have burn up the slide. We soon go in there. Everybody in there, so you know I go. Up. It's a great day.
It is. And then just the line, check out the fit. Baby is gonna tackle the slide. Let's watch and see how she does. You go up. Yeah, Tammy's gone on the slide. Walk. Alright, here we go.
As soon as you get off the slide, you start figuring out which way you want to go and swim hard. Gotta get out of that current.
Yes, you know.
Guys, we just did this slide. I mean, I tell you, say, it was so much fun. You know, like, I'm not going to one slide. I'm not telling you. Just say, up above. It's up above. That's just one here. As the OT in, no rest. Food time, coconut poolside bar and grill. I was gonna say the chicken wings, I don't know that yet I get. I'm gonna have to ask rice and cocktails. I try the mojito. They make rum run after baby. And Cameron will get chicken wings too. Yeah. Alright guys, I'm gonna eat the reach. And baby rum runners here. Yeah. Nice, nice. Guys, the rain come down again and everybody have to clear out. Me and tell you what ya. Rain, rain, rain. Yeah, but we order our food and everything, and I today I wait for that's why we sit out here right now. After that, just I go with the breeze here, man. I have nothing planned, we just I go with the motion. But we did get some fun time in while the sun did out. But for now, we just wing it as the day go by. Yeah. This hot dog looks so good. The fries look well seasoned and everything. Yes. And chicken wings, guys.
McDonald's. No, this is McDonald's.
They just have like a simple dinner tonight. Everybody beat out, tired. We're there at the Beeline restaurant. They still live on property. And yeah, I feel for something sandwiches or maybe some tea. Yes, everybody just like we're just there. We're tired. Representing Pride all day. Check out the fine shirt. Fine, yes.
These look like cheese. See?
Alright, so Cameron getting chicken noodle soup. Nice. Fancy,
Looks
fancy.
Looks like cheese. The noodles look like cheese.
Take your time, it's hot.
Really good.
It's good? Alright, so next time when you come here, guys, you know what to get.
It's steaming, but not hot.
And now I get my hot chocolate because that is a must. We got her tea. And I'm in tea, but black tea. The food reach. We got my chicken sandwich right here. Bacon. Baby got hers. Look good, baby. Cameron almost done
getting
too.
chicken on it.
That's right. And it's salad. Zooming on that. Yes. Looks good. This chicken sandwich is everything. Mighty God.
Pepper and salt. Yeah, people.
Alright, guys. So, kind of close off at night. With camera blowing bubbles.
Really? Oh, look, a nature bubble. No. I got it, Tammy. I got the biggest bubble. Not the
Let's see
biggest.
it.
That's tiny pops. Pop it.
Ah! You're gone.
I fell back.
Okay, guys, we are on our way home. Yes, vacation well spent. Baga things are going. I pop up.